Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to crop an image with a pen tool in Photoshop. Open your Photoshop, then image, select pen tool, click path and hold Alt, then remove this. Hold Alt, hold Alt. Apply the same formula. Okay, added this and now see this. Hold Alt. Then create clipping mask. Double. Now see this crop. Yes. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.